Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to talk about InVideo AI and its generative capabilities. So InVideo is an AI-powered video creation platform that simplifies the process of making videos, especially for beginners. It uses artificial intelligence to generate scripts, visuals, voiceovers, and music, all based on a user's text, prompt, or script. Now, the platform offers a user-friendly interface and access to a vast library of stock media, making it easy to create professional-looking videos quickly. So here are some key features in InVideo. It uses AI to automate various aspects of video creation, including script generation, visual selection, and voiceover. It's easy to use. This platform is designed to be beginner-friendly, allowing users to create videos with minimal technical expertise. Also does text to video. Users can input a script or prompt, and InVideo AI will generate a video based on it. It has stock media access. InVideo AI offers access to a large library of stock videos, images, and audio. And there's tons of customization. Users can customize the generated videos by adjusting text, visuals, music, and voiceover. So there's language support, you can do voice cloning, and you can start using InVideo for free. Now, I included a link in the description below if you want to go ahead and click on that and try InVideo out completely free. So right now we're going to dive right in to InVideo's generative, which is V3 and now V4, version 3 and version 4. This amazing capability where it can create anything you ask based on your prompt. Let's go ahead and dive in. All right, everyone, we're going to dive right into creating a generative video. I'm going to show you some examples of what a generative video looks like. Now, I'm on the basic plan on InVideo, and I pay $30 a month for this program, and it will only allow me to create 60 seconds of one of these videos, okay? So to create more, it's going to cost a lot more. Unfortunately, using generative video is going to cost more money than creating regular stock video type of videos or moving images types of videos like the program Syllabi. And I love Syllabi, but Syllabi and Copycopter and all those shorts generators and those reel generators, they're not generative, and you might be able to upgrade. They may offer them now, but it's coming. I promise you it's coming. But my point is it's not cheap. So in my basic plan, I have 60 seconds, so I have to be very selective with the videos that I want to create. So these are generative videos. I'm sure you're no stranger to Will Smith and his love for spaghetti. Okay, let's click this. Let's check this out.
Today I am here for some real talk about why we're all so obsessed with anime.
Okay, so that's that. I'm not going to spend too much time on this. I'm just showing you examples. And here's another one. Stick with me, everyone. Be patient. Stick with me. Cool stuff coming up.
I am Zeus, king of the gods, and today I shall explain the mysteries of AI.
Is that a new kind of owl?
No. AI.
So you don't have to be a filmmaker or a video producer or anything to create amazing content. But what you do need to do is to be able to create good prompts. It all comes down to the prompts you create. Now, a little tip is ask ChatGPT to refine your prompts because you don't want to waste your generative credits, okay? So let's just head back here. We're going to go back and create a video. All right, create a video, an AI video. So I really like the prompt with the Will Smith and the spaghetti. So I asked ChatGPT to create for me a similar prompt to kind of changing it around a little bit. So Zendaya eating and lounging with sushi. I didn't really like that one. So I came down, I asked it to create me another one. And then it gave me Keanu Reeves. And then down here, finally gave me a Ryan Reynolds eating, relaxing, and living with pancakes. I like that one. So we're going to use that one. And we're going to plug that in. And let me just show you right here, we are in beta 4.0. 4.3 V3, this is when InVideo released the generative media and a new voices plugins and more. This is my prompt. I copied and pasted from ChatGPT, and let's go ahead and generate my video. Okay, here is where I can refine my video, and it's asking me if I want to do stock media or generative media. It says 2 minutes, but I don't think it's going to allow me to do 2 minutes because I only have 60 seconds with my plan. All right, comedy lovers, yes. YouTube, yes. I can go YouTube. Yeah, we'll do YouTube. Why don't we make it a short? And that way I can post it on my shorts and my dynamic AI tech TikTok page. So let's see. So this is going to use right here 120 credits. I don't have 120 credits for generative. So I'm going to click on 1 minute, and that brings it down to 60 credits. So here we go. We're going to continue making this video, which is called Ryan Reynolds versus the Pancake Apocalypse, Epic Breakfast Adventure. Let's do this. All right, it is asking me to buy credits, a one-time add-on, a $10 for 60 seconds. We're going to do it. All right, let's continue. This better be good. I'm spending $10 for this. And it is giving me an option to proceed with stock. Okay, so awesome. I added it on. Let's continue with this. Man, this better be really good. Don't want to miss this. I don't want to mess this up. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are done. And yes, that definitely looks like Ryan Reynolds. So let's play this video. 55 seconds. Here we go. Yes. Nice. Wow. That was cool. That was really cool. All right. I don't know if it was worth $10. We'll find out. Hey, listen. You got to spend money to make money, right? So we'll see what happens. I'm going to post these on my social media channels and see what type of responses I get. Yeah, listen, leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this video. Yeah, I think it was pretty cool. Thank you guys for sticking with me on that one. And then I want to download the video, but I want to make sure that there are no watermarks with this. All right. Now, because I subscribe, no watermarks. Fine. No InVideo branding. Yes. And 1080p. Let's go ahead and continue with this. All right, here we go. Now I can download this. Let me reiterate that a great way to help you with your ideas is heading over to ChatGPT, and you can grab more ideas from these generative picks, copy and paste your prompts into ChatGPT, and ask ChatGPT to change them up. All right, and the moment you've been waiting for, my reveal of this program that does just about everything. It's called Google Veo 3. Now, this program is not cheap, but it does just about everything. It does the video, it does the audio, and it does the speaking and dialogue all with one prompt. You got to check this out. This is Google's Veo 3. Completely Veo 3.
What do you think about the idea that we're just a bunch of prompts?
If I'm generated from a prompt, how come I don't have 6 fingers?
Some people say we're just AI created via some simple prompts. Thoughts?
If I'm just a prompt, mine clearly said, add anxiety and a caffeine addiction.
Are we all just computer-generated NPCs created by our prompt engineering overlords?
If that's the case, they definitely skimped on the tokens for me.
Are we real or AI?
I mean, I really can't tell the difference, can you?
If you can't tell either, then we're so cooked.
Can you believe that? So that is the next generation. Now, VO3 costs $150 a month for the first 3 months, and then it jumps up to $250. So it's something to consider if you're serious about creating content and creating videos, all in one prompt. Thank you so much for sticking to the end of the video. If you haven't already done so, if you could please like and subscribe. We're definitely getting the word out about finding free or highly discounted AI generation programs because, my goodness, we know how expensive costs can get as content creators. Thank you for being in this awesome community. Please leave comments and engage with my channel. It definitely helps push the channel forward, and I will hopefully see you all on the next video. Take it easy.